What's up YouTube? It's your boy Pluto Grind and I'm back on another video for you guys today. So basically today's video is just gonna be me teaching you how to use this and this to make a lot of this. And today's business model is just gonna be how you can build a OFM agency and make a lot of this. So let's get straight into it. Now firstly, what is OFM or AI OFM? Well, OFM actually means like an OnlyFans model or agency or whatever you want to call it. But yeah, let's just get straight into like the definition of AI OFM. Now, AI OFM stands for Artificial Intelligence OnlyFans Management, which is a growing niche where creators use AI generated virtual models to build and monetize influencer style content. Now, they often like do this on platforms like OnlyFans, Instagram, FanView, just any platform that has like a subscription based service where you can just like advertise and monetize yourself. That's it. Now, the AI model you want to make could either be a male or a female or just wherever you want. Literally, you just have to think and be creative and just make it. That's just it. You have to be creative. It has to look good. Even though people will know it's AI, you have to remember that it has to look good, because people would pay for something that has like a good quality and stuff. So you remember that you have to make it look good. That's like one of the most important things in this business model. It has to look good. Now, if you're wondering of any platforms you can use to create or make those AI artificial intelligence OnlyFans models, you can use platform like Stable Diffusion, which is like one of the best one. Like, speaking from experience, that is like what I would recommend for you to use to create an AI model that you would want to use for this business model. So if you want to check it out, you can just go on your laptop or your phone and just type Stable Diffusion, and it's pretty easy from there. You can just log in and do whatever and just work in it and create what you want to create. Now, in order for this business model to actually work, you need to put in a lot of work. That's if you don't have money, you need to like put in a lot of work. Or if you have a lot of money, you're good, because you can just pay people to like do most of the work for you, and that way you just sit back and just relax. But I know most people watching this don't have like hella bread to start paying people on Fiverr and Upwork to create AI models for them. But that's where work comes in, and you have to do a lot of work. Not many work like how do I put it? But you just have to know you have to work smarter, not even harder. You just have to like put in the hours and just put in your time, because there's a lot of stuff to do in this AI model. But yeah, that's just it. If you don't have a lot of this, you need to have a lot of this, and you need to put in a lot of this. But if you can put in a lot of this, you don't really need this, just this. So yeah, now let's get into like the key things you need to know before you actually go all in this business model and actually start. The first thing you have to know is this is not a get rich scheme. Don't think that, oh, I'm gonna create a model today, start posting on Instagram, boom, 1 million likes, boom, I get like some horny guy to start messaging me and stuff like that. No. That's not what this AI model is. It takes time for you to like build your platform, and for you to like start advertising on different on places like Instagram and OnlyFans. That's where you start promoting and just start building up the model so you can get bigger and get more followers and like that. So you have to have it at the back of your mind. This is not a get rich scheme. You have to put in the hours and the work for you to actually start seeing results and make a lot of money. Now, number two, you need to know that if you don't have a lot of money, you're gonna have to put in a lot of work. I already said that in the past slide. You just have to. But if you have money, you're good. You just have to hire people to like just make the AI model for you and like manage the Instagram account, posting videos and pictures every day, just replying to comments and just stuff like that. Now, the third thing you need to know is you have to be consistent. Literally anything in life, for you to get better and better and get bigger, you have to be consistent. That should even not like that should just be like at the back of your head. Consistency. You have to always keep going and just keep going and just keep going. Never ever stop. And the last thing you need to know is to never give up. Surely you won't get hella like you won't get how do I put it, hella views, or you won't just start making like $1,000 in a week or something like that in like the first day you start. No. Like I said, in the first thing you need to know, it's not a garage scheme. So you guys have to know that you need to always stay consistent and never give up. Even though you don't start seeing results early, just have it at the back of your mind that one day you're going to see results, and just never give up. So those are like the 4 things you need to know. You can screenshot this, you can, I don't know, pause the video and just, write them down like a note or something. But you need to have all this at the back of your mind, that this is not a risk scheme, this is not a get rich scheme. You need a lot of work or you need money. You need to be very, very consistent. And last thing, you must never ever give up. So if you've noted that, let's get straight to the next slide. Now, this last slide is going to teach you how to actually start this business model. I would explain step by step the 3 steps that are actually needed to actually start this business model. The first thing you need to do is create the model, like the one I made right here. This is literally, you would think now, with this type of model, what would you think? Like at the back of your hand, be very honest, you would think this is human, right? And this is why you have to create high quality models with AI. This is not human, trust me. This is an AI model. And the platform I used was Stable Diffusion. Surely you can get something better than this, but I'm just telling you, it has to be realistic and it has to be really good. So you have to take your time in designing your model. You can't just slap in the prompt and just expect it to like get you like the best thing. No, you need to take your time to actually build the model. Now the second thing is promoting the model. Now you can use apps like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, just any social media to actually promote it. Just posting pics, making videos. But I'll mainly recommend Instagram and Twitter, because like that way you can build up a following and just rank up and get a lot of likes and views. And that's just it. Now the third thing, this is when you actually have started to like gather some followers and everything. When you see like you have a lot, at that time they would have started DMing you, talking about things. That is when, and when they already start talking about things like that, you're the one that is gonna have to like start directing them to paying clients platforms, like like FanView and OnlyFans. That way you can like start charging them on like a subscription based thing, whereby they pay you maybe, I don't know, $10 a month, and you can even start doing extras, maybe like if they want pics or if they want you to do something, just to like satisfy your clients and like get them to pay you and always pay you and like to keep their retention, so you make more money every month and they become certified for you and just for you alone. So this is like the 3 main things you need to actually start this model. Now if you want me to go in depth, that will be on another video, but like the 3 things you need to know is create the model, promote the model, and convert your clients into paying clients on platforms like FanView and OnlyFans. That's just the 3 main things you have to know. Easy and simple like that. Not a lot of things, but I will make another video if you guys comment, like if you want a really long video of how I actually do this and make a lot of money from it. Just comment down and I'll show you how I actually do this. Let's get right into the next slide. Last slide, which is the disclaimer. Trust me, this is not a get rich scheme, but it can make you get so rich, and the longevity on this business model is so good, and all you have to do is just keep going and never ever stop. Trust me, if you keep going, keep doing what I tell you to do, keep making your clients have a good retention, keep posting high quality images and videos, trust me, from there you're gonna stack up followers and you're gonna get clients and you're gonna take them to the paying platform, and from there you're just gonna keep making bank upon bank and thousands of dollars. And trust me, the The journey is not easy, but trust me, it's so much fun. If you can just put in the work and just lock in for like a few months, bro, you're gonna be unstoppable. And that's it for today's video. If you get any value from this video, however, make sure you hit that like button and hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you in the next one. Also, if you have any questions for me, just put it down in the comments. I'll reply to them. And my name is Pluto Grind, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.